Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I wanted to make a video because I have recently purchased, I guess it's kind of an upcoming brand. It's called Nikki Starr Cosmetics. I bought some things. I reached out to them to see if they do any PR, and they really kind of don't. They kind of give me a code. I'm not going to tell what it is because it was only a day old code. But I bought some things, and then to try the products out and maybe get the word out a little bit. And also, they included this makeup bag with my purchase. And by the way, it's actually pretty spacious. Anyways, but let's hop into this video. So I do apologize for the background noise. I am watching Parks and Recs, one of my favorite shows. I just actually got working off not too long ago, so I've already used my primer, foundation, contour, bronzer, and highlight for this, and I've already primed my lids. But I wanted to open everything up and kind of give everyone a impression. Oh, by the way, I am not shirtless. I am wearing this. It's very hot outside. But anyways, moving on. So I bought 4 eyeshadows and 2 lipsticks. So this lipstick is called Red Light. I actually like the packaging on here. It's actually kind of cool. Don't know what the wand is yet. And then I have Black Cat. And then I bought some eyeshadow. So I bought Stardust, which is, we're going to do some swatches and everything. Stardust. And then Chill. And then I bought the shade Fable, which is this pink one. It actually reminds me of the game Fable for the Xbox when it was back popular. And then this black shade called Black Ops. I think it's great because I think some of these are like based off of like video, games. Or I think that's just awesome. And my wig's in the way. But anyways, so of course, first things first. I am going to get into my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and use the shade, oh my god, Silk Cream as, kind of my transition shade. It's kind of a base. I already primed my lids with the Wet n Wild primer, eyeshadow primer. It's like the best thing out there. Like, I'm not gonna lie, you guys. And then, so, gonna dip into the shade, I think I'm gonna use Black Ops, here, this black one, so we're gonna do a swatch of this. Oh, wow. Actually, you know what, that's actually not bad for a black shade like that. I mean, it's really hard to get blacks really pigmented. So, I'm gonna just pop this on my outer piece. Kind of smug out the eye. Oh, wow. I think I'm going to make the black on the other side just a little bit darker. Okay. God, my wig is just getting in the way, but I look stunning. Then I'm going to take this kind of small brush and I'm going to go into the shade Fable. First things first, we're going to swatch. Oh, maybe I should use a different finger. Ooh. There's Fable. It's actually not bad. It's actually kind of a nice little pinky shade. I may have to build it up, but that's okay. Another thing about Nikki Starr's when I was ordering the makeup from her is that she has some false lashes. I'm not sure how those are yet. I don't really use false lashes, but I'm thinking about buying them just to test them. Wow. I don't know, that pink and black just kind of blended together nicely. I really like that. It's actually really hard to get shades like that blended, or at least I had the problems with. Wow. I'm gonna go for a black smoky eye, but that's okay. So, with that in mind, gosh. So I'm gonna definitely use both of these highlights. Packaging's weird. So the highlights is kind of a screw off top, and for the single shadows here, they're kind of just a little, great for traveling. Like I would have to say, this is great for traveling size. If you don't use a lot of shades out of a palette, if you're traveling, like let's say you're traveling with this, like this is like if you buy these are like way more compact, and you can get, you can create nice shades with them. So, and it does have like a I don't know, a cover, like a little cover here for a protector. Gotta protect our makeup. Oh my goodness gracious. This is the problem with not having fingernails. Oh, shh. Oh boy. That did not go out as planned. Damn. Shit gets everywhere. Excuse my language, but damn. Okay, well. Oh my god. Guys. And he just started using different fingers, or at least clean them off, for the love of God. Okay. Yeah, I know, I have such a bad habit of that. Oh my god. Whoa. Do you see it? Oh my god. I probably should dry my hands before doing this. My gosh, my eyes are gonna... They're gonna go zing! Oh my gosh, and my shirt. Okay, let's try this now. Oh my god. Whoa, that's fun. Ooh, that's blinding, guys. And that is in the shade. I think this was Chill. Yeah, it was Chill. Oh my god, this stuff is all over my laptop now. Oh my god, guys. Okay, now we're going into Stardust. Okay, well, they didn't go as much as all over the place. Tap some out here in the lid. Oh, come on. Don't be shy. You can come out and play. Huh. Well, that's Stardust, and this is Chill. It's kind of weird. Actually, I think I am going to pop... As soon as I clean my hands off, I think I'm going to pop Stardust into my inner corner. And then I'm going to use Chill on my brow bones to see what happens. I like to like loose things like this. Like I kind of just like popping them like on the in the lid, and then kind of just scooping it up from there. Wow, that's just a little bit. I put a little bit in the lid, and it just, wow, it's very pigmented. Oh my god, do you guys see that? Holy crap! Kind of use it as a topper a little bit. Damn. Wow, looks good. I'm not sure how I feel right now. Like, I feel like I'm like, I don't know, like a gothic queen who went over, who stopped her age, and then went to a reggae concert, and then trying to fit in. But yeah, it's just I'm having a whole bunch of weird vibes. Then I'm gonna take, damn it, my little brush here, and then I'm gonna go up into the inner corner. Oh my god, I don't know if I should have done that. Wow. 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 Boy, my eyes, they popped. Damn, son. Anyways, let me pop on some mascara, some eyeliner, and we'll get into the lip swatches. Since I've got my eyeliner and my mascara on, now we're going into the lipsticks. So, I just opened these, but I have not taken them out. So this is the shade Red Light. Actually, you know what? We're going to do a swatch. It's pretty red. I actually like the little applicator on here. Like, it's actually not a bad thing. I actually like it. Let's see how it applies. It's got a really weird smell to it. I can't really put my I can't think of the name, but it actually feels really, really hydrating on those. Like, this smells like something like peppermint or something. Actually, you know what? I don't mind the smell, but it is actually very, very hydrating. I know I put that on wrong, but that's okay. So this is the shade Red Light. I actually really like this. It feels really nice on the lips. It feels very hydrating, which is very rare out of a lipstick to feel very hydrating per se. It's like, it really is really hard to find something very hydrating. It feels really nice. I really like that. So the last shade that I bought, I kind of played with this a little bit beforehand, but the black shade I got, which is in the shade Black Cat, it swatches, you know what, actually just like kind of like any old lipstick. You know, it's a little patchy, but also I kind of go to going over it and smearing it, so that doesn't really count. But just to let you know, she does have other shades other than this, but I just only could afford so much because I work at Subway and I'm on a limited budget. But anyways, let's go see how this applies. Do, do, do. I'm gonna go over one more time, or at least up on the lip with the top lips. Touch up on the bottom too. Else I look like a crazy person. This. Okay, I have 3 black lipsticks. I have. Okay, let me dig those out. Come on, where'd you go? So I have Weirdo from Jeffree Star, and also in the shade, and then the shade Witches from Kat Von D. And out of both of these, actually out of these 3, I have to go with Nikki Starr's because this black feels so hydrating, and every black, like especially like Okay, this one is just, no offense to Jeffree Star, but this black, it's very streaky on me, and I feel that I have to let it dry and then do the application again. And then for this one, this applies fine, but it dries out my lips, and it makes it feel like I'm constantly like smacking my lips to feel like they're hydrating. It is just crazy. But I have to say, out of all three black lipsticks I have, this is probably the best ones because it feels so hydrating on my lips. I've never felt a black lipstick that does this. It's just, wow. I'm actually impressed. I wanted to give my final thoughts on at least the stuff that I bought from Nikki Starr. Actually, okay. First of all, I really like this makeup bag. Like, I think it's great that, like, when you get a purchase, like, I forget, there's a certain price amount or something, but I think this little bag is actually really good. Like, I really like this little mini bag. I'm probably going to use this more than you think I'm going to. But I wanted to give my thoughts. So, I like these two, Fable and Black Ops. They blended very nicely, and I think, like, just me personally, I mean, I don't do a whole lot of traveling, but I think for someone who travels a lot, I mean, if you travel with this, I mean, this is a great palette too, but I think if you travel with something with this is kind of big, it's bulky, takes up kind of a lot of space, and then you also have the fear that, like, all the, the shadows are going to get damaged. But I think having these little, like, even if you get these two, and, like, maybe a couple of different ones from a different palette, or a different line, I think that'd be great, but I think these are great for traveling. I definitely highly recommend the eyelights here. I know I kind of messed up the front here, or, the little lid, but especially in the shades Stardust and Chill, like, these are great. Like, I'm looking in the monitor right now, and my makeup looks actually really nice. Like, I kind of look like I'm going to maybe a rave or a Halloween party, but I love it. I live for this. Definitely, the lipsticks are they're approved. I really like them because they really feel very, very hydrating, and it's very hard for me to find very hydrating lipsticks. Like, what I do is I'll take a lip scrub from Jeffree Star, and I use it, and I mean, it helps, but my biggest habit is that, like, I was for myself eating it, even though they said it is kind of not really edible, but it kind of is. But I really, really, really like these. Like, I'm probably going to wear what is this one again? Red Light to work sometime, and hopefully spread the news about Nikki Starr Cosmetics. Like I said, I really like these. I'm actually hoping here in the future, maybe a little bit, to get more of her products and to try them out, and hopefully get her name out there, and maybe people will start buying them. But anyways, please like, subscribe, share this video. I'm hoping that if I get enough subscribers, maybe I'll start doing giveaways. Who knows? I haven't fully decided what I want to do, but I want to try to get to 100 subscribers, so hopefully maybe we can try to get to 100 subscribers. Thank you, guys.